不是个讲究。
The Galapagos Islands sit on the equator, except the climate here isn't typically tropical. The region lies within the surrounding seas. 3 major ocean currents collide at the very point where the Galapagos Islands lie. The warm Panama Current from the north supports the island's more tropical marine life. The icy Humboldt Current from the south brings nutrient-rich waters from Antarctica. And from the west, the deepwater Cromwell Current rises to the surface upon hitting the Galapagos shelf. Elsewhere, the temperature at sea level is usually warmer than that at higher altitudes. But here, the opposite is true. The cold waters from the south and west cool the